Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm upcycling my Melissa and Doe pattern blocks, and all the activities are around that. We are in a mode of revising and reviewing all the topics that we have been doing for a couple of months now. So everything that I'm going to do today is like nothing. I haven't added any new activity, but I am just like touching all the previous activities just in like few points, and wherein it's a lot of fun by using this. It's a great way of upcycling things. I totally believe in like not throwing and not giving away stuff till the time I'm totally exhausted with all the ideas. So I'm going to use it today, and it's a pretty cool one. It's right intact, and it has so many puzzles, so many nice wooden blocks to use. Okay, so moving forward, my first activity is to complete a hexagon. So as you can see, I have completed all the hexagons right now here, but when I'm going to present to Vivan, I'm going to remove few of the pieces from here. Okay, they're just going to go away. And then what he has to do is he needs to then pick up the pieces, or maybe this can come here. Yeah, and then he needs to find a piece of how will he be able to complete a hexagon by using all the pattern blocks pieces from Melissa and Doe. So it's a great activity. It's not going to be so easy because when you are totally out of touch with a lot of things, everything doesn't come easily. And if it does come easily, then I have a second version of making it more difficult or more challenging for him. So that was our activity number one, guys. I'm just gonna put it off there. Okay, our second activity here is called the translation or reflection or flip activity. I'm sure you guys would have done, you guys have seen me doing this activity in our notebooks. Generally, my book editions have like copy and reflect the same thing. But this is what I've done by using the same pattern blocks here. And I had this box, I don't know from where. I think maybe some chocolates or some cookies came in this box. And I thought it's gonna be perfect for my place value when I'm gonna do ones, tens, and hundreds with Vivan. But I thought this is perfect for this activity too. So what I've done, I created this design, and then what Vivan has to do, he has to flip. Okay, this has to be like a total reflection, and here it has to be a translation. So whatever you see here, you have to completely put it on this side, and here you have to make a total complete flip. So this is how it looks like. Sorry, yeah, this is how the flip looks like, and this is how it's called the translation. It's exact copy of what you see is right here. If you think this is going to be too much, you can always start with this. Okay, and if you think your child can do this totally, we have been doing a lot of flip, translation, and rotation activities in the past, and that's why I thought I will just do it in a simpler way. And I'm going to do a lot of random impromptu designs here with him, and I would also encourage him to create his own designs, and then he has to flip the design whatever he's created here. So this is gonna be a super great activity, and you can try and like replicate whatever you want. So this was our second activity, guys. Our third activity is, just give me 1 second. Our third activity is here, that you look at the picture, okay, and then from the Melissa in the box, you have to see what all shapes have been used here. So that's an hexagon, okay. There's a triangle, another shape here, and another one. Okay, so you have all the shapes here. Then you have to count, okay, as like each and every one that has been used here in terms of number, and then once you know that, you have to put the number below this. Okay, I can't find my numbers. I thought I kept the numbers right here. Sorry guys, I can't find my numbers where I kept. However, if this is going to be 1, Vivan has to put a 1 block here. If this is 6, he needs to put 6 here. If this is also 6, he needs to put 6 here. If this is also 6, he needs to put 6 here. But you know what? It's amazing because you can try and create a lot of designs here. There's a bunny here, and it doesn't mean that all the designs are same. They're all very different. They have to make sure that you have the right trapezoid, you have the trapezoids, you have all the shapes right there. And I think it's gonna be pretty nice and challenging. And if you think it's too easy for your children, you know, you can like always add on an addition or subtraction while doing this. Okay, I have done a cooler version of this, which is like a little difficult version. I'm gonna show you now. Okay, this was our one activity. I'm gonna show you the next one now. Okay, our next activity is right here, and it says create a hexagon using 6 trapezoids and one hexagon. And this is what you see. So these are the 6 trapezoids that I have and one hexagon, and that's how you create a hexagon. So I have made maybe 4 cards for this. One says create a triangle using 1 trapezoid and 1 triangle. Create a triangle using 4 triangles and 4 trapezoids. This one was so difficult that it took me 25 minutes to crack. It took me 25 minutes, maybe because even I was on break, right? So my head wasn't working too. Then I have a create a hexagon using 3 hexagon and 3 rhombus. This was also pretty good. So there are 4 of these that he needs to design and he needs to do, and I think this is gonna be pretty cool too. Okay, so moving forward, we have one other I mean a couple of more, but this one is about measurement because we have been doing measurement for a couple of times now. And here are 4 different bars that you see, and each bar is like finishing up on a line. Vivan needs to identify by finding the shape, and I've used magic pen, the double magic pens that I have, I've used them here. And if you see the shape here, you need to see where it's ending, the bar goes till where, and then you need to find the shape here and write the number. So if this is ending till 6, Vivan needs to write 6 here. This is ended till 3, he needs to find the shape that's here and he needs to write 3 here. So it's just bar reading and bar identification. Then we are very fond of Sudoku, and I have made Sudoku with the pattern blocks again, and I have just created 2. One is on the paper, the other one I'm just going to show it on my magnetic board, and I think we are going to do that a lot more. So what I've done is I have made the shapes, and then this is all this will be is there are all the missing parts. Then he has to find what's missing and then he has to put them back. The second version for the same thing is here, and I have used my Play Panda magnetic board, and I've used my blocks here, and there are a lot of missing ones here, and he needs to find and do it. And like the best part is I can keep creating it again and again, and I mean I don't have to like totally prep this in advance, and this is like all impromptu and DIY. So this is like super cool. Our last but a pretty fun activity that is right here is our addition and subtraction activity, which is based again on all the shapes. It's a two-way theory. So like if you see there's a triangle, it says A and 4. So A stands for the triangle, that's the code, and the code has a number that's 4. So when I say A plus C, so Vivan has to see A is the triangle and C is square, he needs to do 4 plus 5. So the answer of 4 plus 5 is going to come here. So I have all of them right here, and at a few places you will see I have used triple digits as well. Just to be very clear, we have done this before in a lot of our brain teaser books, so I am just going back here just to make it fun, so that it's at the same time as brain teaser for him, at the same time he has to scratch his brain. And we're gonna do like one like maybe 5 or 6 at one time, and I'm gonna break the activity for a week's time. So I plan to finish these activities in a week's time or so. I'll try and get a picture or a video recorded whenever he's doing it. So that's it, guys. This is what we have done. I know there are so many endless possibilities with with Melissa and Do pattern blocks, and if you have any, do let me know. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.